Yesterday's nor'easter continuing to move away and offshore, left behind a wind out of the northwest for the afternoon, which will be gusting over 35 miles an hour at times, and some lingering areas of lighter snow. Again, as that shoves away, gradual improvement going forward. The gusty winds this afternoon go down to just breezy later on tonight, with lows dropping into the 20s with fair skies. Pretty nice day for us on Thursday. Partial sunshine, upper 30s to mid 40s. With a noticeable breeze out of the west and northwest, just not as gusty as what we'll have out there this afternoon. And we are looking at an approaching front, which right now times out for a couple of snow showers up north and a few rain showers for southern areas late in the day Friday or Friday evening and early Saturday as it comes through. And then the winds turn back to the northwest. Will likely be back above 40 in southern areas of the state on Saturday, only to drop into the 30s with some scattered snow showers being rung out through the White Mountains and the Great North Woods as we go through the afternoon on Sunday. There's a look at your winds, which again are regularly gusting over 30 to 35 miles an hour this afternoon. Wind advisory expires later on tonight. Still a breeze gusting over 20 miles an hour tomorrow, and then much lighter for the day on Friday. So the light snow and flurry activity still kind of scattered around. In between clouds, a few sunny breaks, and those gusts over 35 miles an hour. Lows for most will be in the 20s tonight, and highs tomorrow will be up above 40 degrees for most. 7-day forecast has a slightly warmer day for Saturday, but cooling off with a breeze for Sunday.